Okay, so I couldn't, this is a Misfits box, and I couldn't lift it to put it on the counter. So I was trying to prop up my video. So I think this is as good as we're gonna get. It has two of these bio ice bags. And this is the large box. So I'll just show it. And I customized some of this. This is 4 Roma tomatoes. Looks like there's two boxes of this. I'm getting the Misfit Market tomorrow. So 4. Sorry about the view, but at least I'll pick up the camera here in a little bit. This is my lettuce, and it comes with roots. And I have an arrow garden system and a tower garden. Well, kind of not a tower garden, but the cheap version. And I actually have been growing lettuce from, we have, looks like, ooh, this is a huge one. This is a double one. Broccoli crowns. We have 1, 2, 3 green peppers. Now this lettuce doesn't have roots, but this one does. So I cut off the ends real quick, and I put them in the garden, and one of them grew. This is big leaf chard, and that's blocking the view, but I figured there were 4. Another green pepper, some leaves. I ordered green beans. That's not a whole lot, but I have 2 packages. But I was gonna, something is all slimy. I don't know what. Wow, that's a lot of broccoli. as compared to the teeny tiny cabbage. Oh, I think one of those ice bags, cauliflower. I am going to, oh yeah, that's slimy. I think I'm going to rinse this stuff off right away. I'm going to, I got the crisper lid for Christmas for the Instant Pot. And my neighbor, there's some carrots and a little spray broccoli, all covered in slime. 2 cucumbers. I usually don't like to rinse the stuff, but, oh, interesting. What in the world is this? Huh. Interesting, that's yellow squash. I think I'll just keep it in that paper. Interesting. We got 2 of those. Yellow squash. I'm going to take this one off. This one's got slime. Ugh. Whatever is in those ice bags sure can't be good for you. But there's no slime on the yellow squash. I think I'll take this other one. I'll leave that one on. I got it on my hand, so. And we have 3 parsnips. Here, I'll show you an overhead view. Wow. So that is what is in our box, and I want to compare it to, that's why, because you can't turn it around mid-video. Okay, there's one of the yellow squashes in the bag, a yellow squash, green beans, parsnips, tons of broccoli, 2 cucumbers, 8 Roma tomatoes, my lettuce that I'm going to try to grow, my Swiss chard, my huge cauliflower, my teeny tiny cabbage. So that is it, $35 worth. Okay, so trying a different angle. This is Worthy Favors, and I don't know how the lighting's going to be on this. Refer a friend, 20% off. There's some recipe cards. We'll see how the fruit looks. Whoops. Chives. Let's see if turning this light off helps. I don't think so. Okay. Chives, which is a cheap thing. And we have mint. It's kind of wilty mint. Cucumber, 1, 2, 3. These look like, put the 3 together, grapefruit, which I don't like, but I put in the smoothies. We have potatoes, 3, which I'm actually out of, and onions, 3 of those, which I'm actually out of too. I just used the last of it. We have a cabbage. So now I have 2 cabbages, so I'm going to have to make some cabbage something. We have, is that cilantro? Oh, we got cute little cherry tomatoes. I like that. Lemons. I could use some lemons for my juicing. Ooh, and orange peppers. The other boxes have only been getting green peppers. Oh, I don't like jalapenos. Have to give those away. We have 5 jalapenos. I don't think I'm a jalapeno person. We have 2 green peppers. We have, ooh, some green beans. I got those 2 packages of green beans from the other. Oh, more peppers. Lots of peppers. And 2 ears of corn, which is different too, and they're in the hulls. Okay, so this was $27.95 free shipping, and they pack it in, instead of ice, you get frozen water bottles, which I think is cool because I can use those. So I don't know. As you see, I put this box on the counter. It's definitely smaller than the other. And so we will, I can't see this. I'm going to have, okay, so this is the overall. It's definitely less things than the Misfit Market, but it is like $10 cheaper because there's Dudley. Are you wanting a corn? And you can't pick what you want, but this is interesting. Did I get any fruit? I guess the grapefruit. I think I would do each one every other week, and that way kind of see what you get. But those are my hauls. Thanks. Be sure to like and subscribe.